Yo, what up, B? You rockin' with your boy DJ Hot Murder. We on the motherfucking mission for the 07. The Murderous Mixtapes, that's the new movement. My man Shan got the first joint. It's fire right now. We just wrapped this shit up. We gonna go press up about 5,000. When you see them fucking Murderous Mixtape stickers, you already know what it's about. You gonna see them everywhere in Harlem, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, all that shit. About to mummy wrap this whole shit. Shout out to the big homie Rock House. Yeah, man, my man Sean Don Long, got in the cut. We get money, man. It's crazy. It's the Murderous Mixtapes. We official. Shout out to Toya and Caddy, man. It's the only street team I need, nigga. We about to listen to me. That's me in the background, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? And he's coming home too. In him too. In they strap. Fuck wrong with you? Get it or get murdered.